नमस्कार, मैं प्रदीप शाह, एनडीएस का साधक और मोटिवेटर। हमारे गुरुजी बालूभाई चौहान को मेरा नमन। एनडीएस हमेशा ये कहता है कि प्राकृतिक भोजन ही हमारा सही खुराक है। अगर ये लेंगे तो स्वस्थ रहना बहुत आसान है। हमारा इम्यून पावर इतना बढ़ जाएगा कि कोरोना हो या कोई भी वायरस हो, फिर उससे डरना नहीं है। आइए अब देखते हैं कि मेडिकल फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर इसके बारे में क्या कहते हैं। करीब करीब एनडीएस की जैसी ही उनकी बात है, सुनिए।
Feeling that whosoever has taken the BCG anti-tubercular vaccine initial stage in the childhood, they have a more resistance power against this coronavirus. What is your opinion about that?
Sir, I read about that. The thing about BCG is because it is a vaccine, it triggers the immune system, allowing it to increase its production of both T and B cells. But my argument against is I have treated countless number of individuals for both viral sinus disease, viral sore throat by just enhancing the immune system naturally and then by asking them to sip hot water. So therefore, why should we revert to a vaccine and attempt by wherein which we can actually enhance the immune system by the way nature is intended it to be? Millions of years by a natural immune mechanism we have survived on earth. So millions of years. So why should we therefore look at the current thought of BCG and other things? I will not advocate that. I only will advise the general public because there is a small little report that happened. They looked into those who died at a later age and they found that those people had a lower level of blood zinc. Now if that is said to be true, it is true for the larger population. We do not have adequate zinc containing foods in our diet, zinc being the second pillar cornerstone of immunity. This is what we should do, and we should not advocate BCG and other things. No.
So according to you, to increase the immunity, we should have a zinc tablet or something like that?
Iron which comes from black raisins or black dates, vitamin C that comes from fresh lime, amino acids that come from sprouted grains, and zinc which is found to be rich in papaya, watermelon seeds.
Okay, so according to you, it's all natural thing which
Yes.
can increase our immunity, correct?
Yes.
Today, Dr. Deven clarified the doubts about coronavirus, and you have mentioned that instead of going for such type of treatments, what is prevailing right now, why not a very simple thing? If we will increase our immunity by taking those things which are naturally available, one can have, and at initial stage you feel that you have a sore throat or slight temperature, increase the body temperature by sipping the hot water, and otherwise increase intake of omega-3 by natural things like what you have already explained. One can survive in this present scenario. Thank you very much, Dr. Deven, for coming on this show, which was brought especially by News Karnataka, V4 News, Global TV, and Organ Donation India Foundation. Thank you very
The
much.
thing is, if by this talk and your wonderful questions and my responses, if we can avoid the terrible deaths that are happening around the world, we will be blessed.
That's what our aim is. Thank you very much, Doctor, for giving your...
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.